Door lock procedures. Sycamore Services is committed to protecting the health and safety of you, employees, and visitors through an internal health and safety program. Sycamore Services has in effect and available written copies of the Emergency Action Plan, which can be shared in an individual's usual mode of communication. Sycamore outlines the below procedure to assist with maintaining a healthy and safe environment. The procedure. Door locks are in place for the safety of you, staff, and visitors. Sites will typically remain unlocked during office service hours. Individuals shall be able to freely exit buildings. Sites where an individual is not readily available to monitor entrance and/or entrance is configured in a manner where it is not visible to those in attendance. Doors will remain locked from the outside entrance, but will have a doorbell to ring to gain entry. Entrance doors shall only be locked when an attendant is unavailable to monitor the entrance. Management or a designee will have access to keys to re-enter the building or buildings as needed. Doors will remain locked on an as-needed basis as noted above for preventative safety measures. Internal doors may be locked due to potential hazards such as maintenance materials, to unauthorized parties, and or to keep confidential information safe. Internal locks will be used on offices that contain confidential information and areas such as janitorial closets, heating, air, water heater, and electrical unit rooms. Authorized personnel will have access to the keys. The next policy is Supervision Guidelines. You have the freedom to access settings indoors and outside based on supervision requirements outlined in your person-centered individual support plan, high-risk plan, and in accordance with your ALGO level, ALGO. If supervision is required, your PCISP and HRP, which is the high-risk plan, shall outline the requirements. Plans shall also outline decision-making authorities, identified choice regarding supervision requirements. PCISP and HRP shall be signed by the individual support team members, including you and or your guardian, giving approval to implement plans as your team created and agreed upon.